Hi guys, welcome to another video. So we have July's Madam Glam collection in here. So the name of this collection is House of Fun. It's made up of 8 beautiful creamy gel polishes. So the 4 that I've chosen are Lucky Number 9, Eden Garden, Daystar, and Celestial Jungle. Look at that one. I'm so excited for that one. And that one as well. It's like a blurple. Love blurples. So for anyone that's not heard of Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and hema free. They are amazing quality and really, really nice to use as well. You get 15ml in a glass bottle. You've got your swatch on the top, which I really like that. So I'm going to swatch them to start with, and then I'm going to do a design on my left hand. I've just stuck some tips on, just with some, like press-on stickers, just to do a design with these gel polishes. And I've got some real shorty shorts today. The shortest I've ever been, I think. So yeah, let's get these swatched, take a look at the colours, and then we'll get a design done with them. I'm really liking these labels as well. How cute are these? Got little stars, they've got little moons, sun, hands. I like them. Are they all the same or are they different? I know they're all a little bit different. Yeah, they're all a little bit different. Well, that one's got a planet on. Yeah, I'm really liking these labels. Right, let's get them swatched. So the first one is Daystar. Ooh, that's a really nice peachy colour, isn't it? I like it. Nice and summery. Next one is Eden Garden. Again, a really nice summery colour. That's giving me tropical vibes, that. It's really nice, bright, bold colour. Beautiful. Then we've got Lucky Number 9. Love, love, love this one. It's not quite a lilac and it's not quite a blue. It's definitely a blurple. Probably going to be my favourite one, without a doubt. And then last but certainly not least, Celestial Jungle. Ooh, look how bright that is. Yeah, I'm not sure now. I think this is probably my favourite one. Again, giving me tropical vibes. Ooh, I really, really like this one. Ooh, look at these colours, guys. I really like them. Especially that Celestial Jungle. That is beautiful. I do like that Lucky Number 9 as well. I like them all. And I've got a similar one to that Daystar already. But the other 3, yeah, I've not got anything like those. They're beautiful colours, aren't they? Definitely got to do something with this one, though. I'm loving this one the most. So that's all the swatches. I've given them a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat and the matte top coat as well. Can you see that? just see them, what they look like matte. Yeah, there you go, you can kind of see it there. Can't really see the Celestial Jungle very well in the matte, can you? You can see the others. Yeah, I'm well happy with those colours. Well happy. Right, well, let's get a design done now on my left hand. So I'm going to start off by giving all the nails a coat of Madam Glam's Louse. So this is their rubber base coat, and that is the colour. It's a beautiful colour. This is my go-to base colour when it comes to Madam Glam. So I'm going to give all the nails a coat of that, apart from the ring finger. That's going to be white. I'm going to give them a cure, and I'll give them a second coat off camera. So that's what they look like after 2 coats. Now I'm going to do the ring finger. So I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect White for this. And this is a perfect name for this white because it is the brightest white I have ever tried. Amazing white this is. I'm not very happy with these tips though, guys. I wish I'd used nail glue now. But yeah, I used the press-on stickers and they're way too thick. So I've cured that and I give it a second coat off camera. Now I'm going in with that Blurple colour. And I'm going to be doing these lines going down the nail. Now, these lines didn't turn out how I wanted them to turn out. But it wasn't quite the right effect. They're supposed to start off quite thick and then come really narrow towards the tip. But it was alright. They turned out neat. That was the main thing. And I wish I'd alternated the colours as well. Like, just done one of each colour. Now, I'm using this brush, what I got from AliExpress. I showed it in my last AliExpress haul. This liner brush is amazing, let me tell you. The bestest liner brush I've ever tried. Anyone that struggles to do straight lines, you need this brush in your life, let me tell you. Because the brush does all the work for you. Yeah, it is just amazing. So we're going to give that cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm using the Madam Glam Perfect White again, and I'm painting a chevron French tip. Now I like to use the brush out of the bottle just to lay the product down to start with, and then I'm going to come in with my brush and just neaten that up. I'm also going to be doing a very thin line just above that chevron line as well, as you'll see in a second. I'm also going to do the same on the middle nail, but I won't show you me doing that because it's the exact same. So I'll do that one off camera, and then we'll come back in once that's done. Now I've pulled out my dotting tool and I'm just doing some dots with that lucky number 9. So I've done 1 in the middle of that line and then 3 going up either side. Cured that. Now on this middle nail, just on that chevron white tip, I'm going to be doing them lines again like I did on that ring fingernail. I am going to do those lines on the other side as well, but I'll just show you me doing this one side just to save time, guys. So now we're going to do the pointer finger, and I'm using the Madam Glam base coat. I'm going to apply a full coat of that onto this pointer finger, and I'm going to be sticking glitter into this. Now, I didn't have a glitter mix that had all these colours in, so I thought I would mix my own. Once I've applied this base coat, I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to stick the glitter into the uncured base coat. Then once I'm happy with where I've put the glitter, I'll then pop the nails in the lamp, and that will hold that glitter all in place. Now I'm just going to add a couple of star sequins, and then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And then they will be ready for some top coat. Believe it or not, I am going to do these shiny today. So I'm using the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And I'm just going to apply that to all 5 nails. I'll just show you me doing a couple, just to save a little bit of time, because this video is getting too long. And then we'll come back and take a look at them. So that's what they look like finished, guys. I really like that mix of glitters what I've used. They go really well with those gel polish colours. And I'm loving those colours as well. Those colours are beautiful. Really, really like them. They go really well together, all of them, don't they? I am a little bit disappointed with how those lines turned out. They're not quite the effect what I was going for. But they're still neat, that's the main thing. I just wish I'd have done alternating colours. Like, I wish I'd done the blurple, the yellow, the green, the orange, and then again blue, yellow, green, orange. Like, just one row of each colour instead of doing 3 of the blurple, then 2 yellow and 2 green. Yeah, but the main thing is they look neat and the lines are nice and straight. I really, really like that brush, guys. I'm going to leave the link to that brush in my description box. So then if anyone wants to go over and buy it, you can do. It is the best liner brush I have ever tried. I shall also leave a list of everything that I've used today in my description box. I'm going to leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments, along with my discount code, which is GG30. So remember to use that at checkout to save yourself 30% off. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well, guys. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, you'll find all the information about that on their website. And that is everything for today's video, I think. Let's take a little look at the swatches again one more time. These colours are right up my street, especially that Celestial Jungle and Lucky Number 9. I'm loving them 2 colours the most, but they're all really, really pretty colours, aren't they? Great for this time of year. I'm loving that Lucky Number 9 in matte, you know. Really liking that. So that is going to be everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.